Peace, peace. Welcome, welcome. This your boy Tyrain L. We're gonna go at it again. It's the first of the month, December 1st. So at the beginning of the month, I love to drop the charts. And what's pretty dope is not only is it the first of the month, it's Sunday. So it's the first of the week. So we know the markets open 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. So it is now 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the market's been open an hour. So I'm about to run through the 27 pair that I trade. We're doing strictly Forex. I'm going to look at the monthly chart and see if we see anything that might be worth looking at. Now we have to be mindful that it is the 1st of December. So the markets tend to slow down at the end of the month, at the end of the year. Pardon me, this is the last month of the year. So we're going to definitely have to keep an eye on this. Um, Pardon me, y'all. I got a bit of a cold. Hold on one moment. All right, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. Been trading 5 years. Not a millionaire yet, y'all. But I promise you it's coming. Gotta be consistent. Just gotta be consistent. So we're gonna start with Euro USD. I got an algorithm now. It looks like we're already in a downtrend on this. I like to usually catch the beginning of a downtrend, but I think we're going to see Euro USD continue to go down for this month. I will go ahead on and pull it up in Trading View. I'm going to share my screen so you can see what I'm looking at. This is what I do. So once I see it on my algorithm, I'll then go to Trading View and then pull it on a month and then look for my support and resistance. Now, this has been going down quite a bit, went down last 2 months. We're in the downtrend. However, I would be highly doubtful that it breaks this zone before the end of, by the end of this month. It could. Obviously, we don't fully know. It's too early to determine, but every indication says that we're still going down. So I would definitely look for a pullback into this area, possibly to this zone right here, this line right here, maybe a pullback, and then continuation down. On the weekly, you can see it hit this zone and it started to reject. So it'll probably come back up in here somewhere. It may even come all the way back up here. I doubt if it breaks this zone by the end of December, but it could. So we're going to keep an eye on this, but this is not nothing I'm excited to jump on because I had a down signal 2 months ago and we can see what it did the last 2 months. So I'm looking for something with the new down signal, not something that's already been going down for a couple of months. Because at that point, it's probably going to be a retracement. All right, so let's keep going. And mind you, guys, I don't trade the monthly, I trade the daily, but I do look at the monthly to get an idea. And once in a blue, you will catch one when you're about to go down. Just like the Euro USD we just saw a couple months ago, we did have a clear indication that that was going down. So let me make sure I got my screen shared for you guys. I want to try to see my Owanda. My all right, MetaTrader 4. Again, we're on the weekly chart, and we're gonna go through the weekly. I mean, we're looking at the monthly, but we're gonna go through on the weekly after this as well. Mm. All right, let's keep looking here. Um, yeah, this is. I'm not really liking this. Let's see. I want to see something that's. I like to catch the reversals. That's really what I'm looking for. Honestly, is a reversal. Continuations is good, but reversals are better. Euro JPY. It's like we're still in a downtrend. We're gonna run back through this on the weekly though. Now this one I do possibly like, possibly for a sale because this is an indication that we're about to go into a downtrend. This is Euro AUD. So I will pull this up on TradingView. Excuse me. Um, let's see, Euro USD. I'm going to take a look at this. Euro AUD, excuse me. Euro AUD. Take a look at this. Okay, now this is a good. I've already drawn this up, guys. This is the golden zone on the monthly. Um, However, I'm showing a sale on the monthly. So this candlestick is just starting. You can see here, got the form. Um, so this is something. It broke that trend line, came back. I believe this would be a retest, and I would expect it to go down. So this is one I'm definitely looking to. If anything, we could do a realistically, we could do a sell limit. I probably will put one right around here. Let's see. Probably would like it right around here for a sell limit. So that's a sell limit at 1.62925. Now the big question is, where's your stop loss? Excuse me. Pardon. Dealing with a cold, y'all. But this is what we're gonna look at. Bam. If we were to put a stop loss, it would have to be all the way up here. That's 298 pips, which is insane, right? Some people are like, that's crazy. But this is the monthly chart. We will be looking for it to go down for months. But it's still in a major zone. It's been consolidating for months. Until it really breaks this zone, it's kind of up in the air. But it's a possibility that we could be about to hit a downtrend on a monthly, and I would like for it to come down here. So if we were to get in at this purple zone, purple line, we would be going for a total of about 560 pips. And our stop loss, while I put it here, we really could be more about right here, about 182 pips. But I like here 280, but 180 I think would be just as good. Because if it breaks past this 9 and 21 moving average, you could spike up and try to take people out. But I think it would be okay to put your stop loss right above here. And I probably will put it right about here. And then I will be expecting to go down to here. So this is one I'm gonna keep an eye on. What I'll do is set an alarm for this. And what I like to do is go to the lower time frames when I set my alarms. Let me see. So we're going to set an alarm. And now that I'm thinking, I'm looking at it on the lower time frames, it may not even make it up this high unless it just spikes up because of news. More than likely, it may hit around here. So this is probably where I would put my alarm. Let's see. Possible sell. All right, I'm gonna put sell here. Got an alarm there. And we can put an alarm on the purple one also. So we got two alarms. So this is one I keep my eye on. Euro AUD. Again, this is going to be long term. All right. Let's keep going. Euro CAD. Mm-hmm. Now this one is interesting. Euro Swiss. This has been coming down a while. We went up, we coming back down almost to a buy zone. So maybe in January we might be looking to buy on for a long term. We'll have to wait and see. But nothing right now. Nothing over here. Let's see. So now this is a reversal signal. I actually have an indicator that indicates a possible reversal. We got one on the monthly. Let's go down to the weekly, and this is for GBP CAD. Interesting. So it looks like we were going down. It looks like it's about to come back up. We've been going up. Okay, so this is one I like, GBP CAD. I'm going to take it over to Trading View, and we'll draw it up. This is one I like, GBP CAD. Pardon me. All right, GBP CAD on the monthly. Bam. All right, so, it's a big rejection candle. I definitely could. This is something we have to keep an eye on, but okay. So this is a break, pullback. Um, this is one we could get in. If we were to get in this now, our stop loss would be above here, probably about 118 pips, which isn't bad considering we're on the monthly. And I would expect to go at least down to here or further. But I think it might be I don't like getting in this early, but unless it's very, very clear cut, this is a big rejection candle on another rejection, another rejection. And we still got to break this zone right here. But if anything, we could possibly do a sell right here at 1.709 79016. So we're going to do an alert and we'll do sell. This is one we'll keep an eye on. We'll keep an eye on that. See if it comes back in this zone and touches it, then we'll be looking for a possible sell. I would set a buy limit, but let me see what the weekly look like again. The daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. It's too early, but maybe tomorrow we can look at this for a possible sell. Definitely want to keep an eye on. Let's see here. Sharing the screen. All right. So we're gonna go back. And again, I just got an algorithm that kind of gives me an idea of when the market's gonna reverse. Keep going. AUD CAD. Huh. Pardon me. So weather's changing. All right, y'all. So we got a buy signal on the monthly. This isn't the end all be all because sometimes these will repeat sometimes, and these indicators will repaint sometimes, meaning they'll disappear and show back up. So let's look at the weekly at a buy on a weekly. Look at the daily. Okay. 4 hour. Okay. All right. So let's check out this pair. We're gonna go to trading view. And this is AUD Swiss. Share my screen. All right, here we go. Now look at this. Again, we got to buy. And what's interesting is we had this long wick, rejection, came back down, reject. It's still really in consolidation. Um, we got a trend line here. This trend line is based off of the monthly chart. So once it breaks this trend line, we should expect to at least make it to here. However, I seriously doubt it's going to break this trend line the month of December. Anything is possible, but I doubt it. Excuse me. However, since we have a buy on the monthly and the weekly, I'll go to the weekly. I would probably put a buy limit somewhere down here. Like I like this 5.57063. Put an alert for a buy. All right. So I do like for this to come down some. I don't think it'll just shoot up. See, they all have wicks. It may come down to here. It may not come down this far, but hello? Yeah, we're out. All right, so this is one we definitely want to keep an eye on for the buy, but I think it's going to come down some first. But I think overall this month it should be going up. Mm, yeah, if I'm looking at the monthly, or it could go up next month. But the fact we got a buy on the weekly and a buy on the monthly, I have a strong possibility that it's going to go up this month. But I definitely would expect a pullback to a minimum of here. Could come all the way down here somewhere. But I'll be honest, guys, if it comes down in this zone, anywhere down here, I would definitely get in for a buy. Anywhere in this zone here, I will buy. And my stop loss would be, I got in here, I would right below here. So 56 pip stop loss, which is sweet on a monthly. And we should make it minimum of here if it breaks this trend line, which is 319 pips. So, and it could go even higher all the way to this line if it actually breaks it. But as you can see, guys, it's been in consolidation for quite some time. So ultimately, I like to look at the monthly at the beginning of the month. But again, the monthly, a lot can happen in 30 days. A lot can happen in an hour. So you definitely know a lot can happen in 30 days. So I'm mindful of that. So it's hard to just say, oh yeah, it's gonna go up for the next, it's hard to say. But when you see a buy on the monthly and the weekly, then it's a high probability. And if you look at the other times that we get a buy signal, it usually doesn't go up that month. It's usually the following month that it starts to go up. So, and even if we look at the weekly, we got to buy. It does the same thing. You got to buy typically that month that you get it, it won't come up, or that week, it'll come up the following week. So I probably will be looking at this maybe next week or something like that to possibly get in once it pulls back some more and to get in on a buy. So let's finish this out. We'll see if anything jumps out. Again, guys, this is December 2024. So we're at the end of the year. Not really the best month to be trading. Now, this is a possible reversal. I like this CAD Swiss on a monthly possible reversal. On a weekly, went up a couple weeks. It looks like we're starting to come back down. This could be a possible retest. Mm. So this is one we're going to have to throw into trading view and just take a peek. So I like to do that because it tends to be a lot more accurate than MetaTrader. So this is why we always do this. Go over here. All right. There's another one that had the golden zone. It came, touched the golden zone, came right back down. So I do feel like this is going to come back up to that golden zone. So this was the reversal. This is the beginning of the reversal. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, it did not. It broke. Came back down in this zone. So yeah, this one we might could even do a buy if it comes down some more. We definitely want to give it a couple days to see what it's gonna do. But this is another one I would like to get in on a buy possibly, because this is a possible reversal, and I will be looking to take it up to this golden zone here. Um, The question is, how much is it going to pull back? How far is it going to come down? And so we just got to keep our eye on it. And again, guys, I trade based off the daily. So even though I'm looking at it on a monthly, more than likely I would enter on the daily. I'm not entering on a monthly unless I set a buy limit or sell limit because it's just, in a month, a lot can happen. So this is another one to keep an eye on. Let's go back and finish out our last couple of pair, and I'm gonna end it out because I'm a little under the weather. Let's see. Let's get that past these last couple of pair. Nothing there. Nothing there. That's already been going down 2 months. Uh, man, uh, nothing, not crazy about anything, guys. Couple possibilities to look for. But like I said, we trade the daily every day from 4:30 to 5. So reach out to me if you want more information on that, how to get down with our signals group. Um, we do pretty good. I don't know. Our win rate ranges anywhere from 70 to 80% to 85%. Just depends. Obviously I lose just like everybody else. But because it's the daily, I win a lot and you have a lot of time to analyze. So if I send you a trade at 4:45 and you get in it, and at 8, 9, 10, you can still be analyzing it to see if, hey, does this look like we still looking good for the day? And it gives you a lot of time. And a lot of times, even when I lose, I'm able to get out early. Now, my average stop loss is about 50 pips most of the time, but that's okay. You just adjust your lot size. Okay, you can still risk the same amount. Just if you were gonna risk $100, then you just adjust your stop loss. Right? There's no difference. Instead of doing, if you got 100 pip, if you want to risk $100 and I got a 50 pip stop loss, you just do $2 a pip. It's no big deal. Or do two positions of $1, as opposed to if you had 20 pip stop loss and you're doing $5 a pip, still $100. And you know, usually we're at 2.5 to 3.5 before our return. So pretty good. So holla at me. I'm your brother Tyrone L. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. We include the math with it, the numbers, because that'll also give you a good indication of what days you probably shouldn't be trading on and when you should. I'm gonna sign out. I'm gonna make sure I get myself back together. I got a couple herbs I'm taking. My kid got sick, and you know how that go. Once they get you, that the whole house is a wrap. So I got caught, but I'll be back. I'll be back right in a couple days. All right, y'all. Peace and love.